In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design Klaviyo emails. Designing engaging and impactful emails in Klaviyo can seem daunting at first. However, by breaking down the process into manageable steps, you'll find it's quite straightforward and can significantly enhance your marketing efforts. So, let's dive into how you can create beautiful email templates that resonate with your audience. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Klaviyo account. Head over to the Klaviyo website and you'll see the login option right on the home page. It's essential to ensure you've got your login details handy. Once you've found the login button, click on it to move forward. After clicking the login option, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Make sure to input the correct details to avoid any login issues. Remember, the accuracy of this information is crucial for access to your Klaviyo dashboard where all the magic happens. With your credentials entered, it's time to hit the login button again. If you've entered everything correctly, you should now find yourself on the Klaviyo dashboard. This is where you can start unraveling the potential of email marketing. Once you're on the dashboard, head over to the section labeled as Templates. This is where Klaviyo allows you to either create new email templates or modify existing ones. For our purpose, we're focusing on creating something fresh and impactful. So look for the option that says Create Blank Email and click on it. This is your canvas to create an email that captures your brand's essence and message. Now this is where the fun part begins. Klaviyo offers a variety of blocks you can add to your template, such as text, images, buttons, social links, and more. These blocks are essentially the building blocks of your email design. Think carefully about the layout and how you want to structure your information. Adding blocks is quite intuitive. Simply click on the type of block you want to add and drag it to the desired location in your template. Customization is key in making your emails stand out. Once you've added your blocks, it's time to get creative. Each block you've added can be customized in terms of content, style, and placement. For text blocks, consider the font size, color, and alignment that best suits your message. For image blocks, ensure the images are high quality and relevant to your content. Remember, the goal is to keep your audience engaged and to guide them towards your desired action, whether that's reading an article, signing up for a webinar, or making a purchase. As you customize your template, keep the following tips in mind. First, maintain brand consistency with your colors, fonts, and logos. This helps in increasing brand recognition and trustworthiness. Second, aim for a balance between text and visual elements. Too much text can be overwhelming, while too many visuals might distract from your message. Lastly, always preview your email before sending. This gives you a chance to see your email from a recipient's perspective and make any necessary adjustments. Designing emails in Klaviyo doesn't have to be a chore. With a bit of practice and experimentation, you can create engaging and effective email designs that drive results. Whether you're announcing a new product, sharing news, or nurturing leads, the right email design can make a significant difference in your marketing efforts. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide helps you confidently create compelling emails that resonate with your audience. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials on mastering digital marketing tools and strategies.